Hi everyone, welcome back to day 3 of 20-day basic JavaScript challenge. Today we are going to tackle a simple yet fundamental programming task, determining whether a number is even or odd using JavaScript. This concept is important as it forms the basis of many algorithms and can be applied in various real-world scenarios. So let's dive in and explore how to implement this functionality using the modulo operator. So first we explain the even and odd number, and after that we explain a modulo operator functionality. So what is even number? Even number are those that are divisible by 2 without leaving a remainder. And next we talk about odd number. Odd number are those that are not divisible by 2 without leaving a remainder. After that we talk about the modulo operator functionality. The modulo operator returns the remainder of division operation. For example, 5 modulo 2 equal to 1 because when 5 is divided by 2 it leaves a remainder of 1. So now let's do a code. So I open my code editor, and here you can see I already create index.html file, and in this file I write a script tag. In this script tag I write a JavaScript functionality. For solving this problem, we take a 3 step. First, we get a number. So here I write first we get input from user. Then we convert this input to an integer. So convert input into integer. Then I check number is even or odd. Okay, so for getting input from user, I use a prompt function here. So here I write let user input is equal to prompt. Here I write enter a number. After that I convert this input into an integer. So here I use let number is equal to parse float, and here I pass this variable. Okay, so next I use a condition to check a number is even or odd. So here I use if statement, if, and in this if I pass a condition if number divisible by 2 and I get a answer or reminder 0, then show console.log, and in this console.log we show the message like number. Here I write a backtick, and in this backtick I write number is even. After that, if number is not divisible by 2, then I use a else part, and in this part again I use a console.log method, and this time I show a message to a user number is odd. Okay, so here I write number is odd. Okay, so now I open my browser, and here you can see it say enter a number. Here I pass a number 5 and click on OK. After that I inspect this page. Next go to a console, and here you can see I cannot get anything, so I think we reload. So again I reload the page. Here I enter a number as a 5 and click on OK. Here you can see 5 is odd number because 5 is not divisible by 2. So again I reload the browser, and now I enter a 10 and click on OK. You can see 10 is even. So you can see we successfully create a app where we can check the number is even or odd. Today we have learned how to determine whether a number is even or odd using JavaScript. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.